Hello friends, today I'm doing the unboxing of Ugg Australia from ZAPPOS. The package arrived today, just one day, next day. It arrived in this big box and I removed the box and it arrived in different box. Not original Ugg Australia, but some other one. Unbox looks like this, and it's longer than shoes. And let's see how they look. Actually, it's not. So here is Ugg Sorensen. So this is different style for me to buy. Normally I'd buy shorter versions of boots or even sheepskin ones, and this is more like cat boot or musketeer boot. And it comes with this, and it comes with a zipper. But the funny thing about this boot is that zipper is on the outside. As you can see, normally it would be on this side, but in this shoes it's on this side, which is funny. And some people complain about it in reviews. Other than that, it has really smooth zipper, and on zipper it says Ugg. Yeah, they are waterproof, and they made from waterproof suede. And here they have Ugg and Ugg sign, and they are, this is chestnut color, and I got this in size 10, but I wear size 9.5, and I find them a little bit slightly too big. That's why I don't know if to keep them, because I want size 9.5. If I would be able to get 9.5, then I would get it, and this will be returned. And they have this kind of, they are a little bit narrow here in this part, so not typical shape. And here they have some interesting design, some stitching, and here they have some 1-inch heel which has some kind of wood element, and here is rubber, which is good for winter. This part is a little higher than this, and here we have some pull on. And when we open them, inside they looks like this. Here we have leather trimming, and here we have lining from material. The inside the foam, they have foam, I mean, how to say it, they have some kind of insole that is made with foam. I mean, it's foam lined or something, that it's more cushioning, and it says waterproof inside. If you can see here, says waterproof, and it's synthetic, not from leather, but inside the foam, I mean the insert. And this is suede. This is suede, and it says it's waterproof, and it's seam sealed, something like that. So water will not go through seams. So yeah, let's try them on in thicker socks. In thicker socks they are tight. Actually, you can put them. It looks like some that they can be even worn with sweatpants tucked inside, or leggings or jeans. So yeah, nice. Here's the other one. Looks the same. On Victoria's Secret they are also available, so if you want to get them you can try Victoria's Secret, or you can try Ugg or Amazon. These ones are from ZAPPOS, but they were delivered from ZAPPOS, but you can also try Amazon. And this is how look the tag, and it has this authenticity tag, and the sole has some small indentations here.
Perfect.
my video. Hope you enjoy such videos. If you do, give thumbs up and subscribe for future videos. See you in the next one. Bye.